Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5087544 or KB5088863. So if you are unable to install these updates on your Windows 10 computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only, and then click on yes to allow, and then copy the first command. All these commands are provided in the video description. Copy it, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now once done, you can copy the second command, copy the complete command, paste it, hit the enter key. Now if you may not receive the error. If you receive the error, just ignore it. Copy the third command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once this is done, if you receive any error, just ignore it, paste it, hit the enter key. Now once this is done, restart your computer, and after the system restart you can update your Windows 10. Still not working, the next step is to start these services. Now for this you can type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to again automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on restart. Now find Windows Update in the list. Somewhere at the bottom you will find Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Again set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. Click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update. Click on restart. Now you can go back to Windows settings, and then over here, if you see retry option for any update, you can hit retry and then try to install the update once again. Still not working, you can pause and restart the update. So over here you can see pause update option. You can hit pause over here, and once the update is paused, you will see resume updates over here. So pause and then resume the updates, and then you can check. Still not working, then run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command and then paste it on the same window. Copy the third command, paste it, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, the next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Now over here you can write down the name of the update. So write down the name of the update, that is KB5087544. Click on search, and on this page, first of all check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version. In my case it's version 22H2. Now check your system type. For this, open Windows settings, go to system, and then go to about option. Scroll down, here you can see about option, click on about, and in my case the system type is 64-bit operating system. Now so for me it's Windows 10 version 22H2 x64 basis, and this is the right one for me. So select the right version and then click on download. Now over here click on the update, that is KB5087544. Let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, restart your computer, and then you can check. Still not working, the last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website you can find media creation tool. So scroll down. Over here you can see media creation tool. So click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. And then click on accept over here, and then by default upgrade this PC now would be selected. So click on next over here. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on accept over here, and over here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 10. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 10 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.